Hey guys, today let's talk about the Stihl FS 131R trimmer. This is a big machine. This thing puts out 1.9 horsepower. In comparison to most other trimmers that are out there, this is at least a half a horsepower more. That's massive. Why would I buy this? Why would I want this for my property? Well, A, I just like power. I want that muscle car. Okay, there's one good reason. Or B, I've got a lot of property, right? I've got 2, 3, 4, 5 acres. 10 acres, 20, I got a ranch, whatever. I got fence rows to take care of, to trim long term, and I want the power. This machine is going to allow me the opportunity to get out into some of the heavy stuff and take it from tall to short. All kinds of options that I can run here on the bottom end. It's going to come standard with the Stihl Auto Cut 25-2 bump head, which honestly is the perfect head for around the lawn. But when I get out on the back 40, when I get out there and need to cut some heavier stuff, I'm either going to go to a blade or a polycut or a DuraCut head. I got a couple options here. So we've got options with the Stihl FS 131R. I can put on this polycut head. Interesting head, really actually pretty cool around fence lines because I can hit the fence post and these bounce out of the way. Not ideal for shorter grass, but when we're getting into kind of knee-high or taller, good option. Or I also can get a blade kit on and I can install a blade. We've got options on blades. Do I want to cut trees or do I want to cut grass, blackberries, undergrowth? Good options with this. Well, why can't I run a blade? Because this thing has a solid steel drive shaft from head to toe. So that 1.9 horsepower is getting transferred as efficiently as possible to the commercial greasable gearbox here at the end. Okay, I love that feature. And the weight, really, honestly, this weighs the same as does the FS 111 and the FS 91, I should say the R version, the loop handle version. They also make this in a bike handle. Maybe I have more property or I'm going to be out on this machine for a half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour at a time, and I want to grab those handlebars and put on that harness and be more comfortable. This is a 4-mix machine. It is mix, sorry guys, it is mix fuel, but it's a little miniature 4-cycle overhead valve engine. It's awesome. What that means is the rope pulls fairly easily, right? For a 1.9 horsepower, it pulls over very easily. It's actually quieter on the ears, it's smoother running, and it's torquey as all get out. So check out the Stihl FS 131R. You've got some property you need to own, you need to maintain. Here it is. 1.9 horsepower, solid steel drive shaft, easy starting, smooth running, quiet, comfortable. This may be the machine for your property.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.